Gago, may nakita akong meme.
What
And
meme?
I think it just hits really hard. Parang if I remember correctly, ang nakalagay dun sa meme is, you know that your burger machine is gonna be absolutely goated if may nakikita kang pag na-encounter mo yung 11-year-old na cashier na gumagawa ng hekasi homework niya while her mom is cooking the burgers. Parang ganun.
First time I've heard.
I don't understand.
That doesn't hit anything to you?
No.
Never ba kayo nag-burger machine?
Meron naman pero di ganun ka-addict.
Pero di mo napapansin na parang ganun. Dude, we literally have a burger machine sa labas.
Sa labas.
Natin, okay? Di mo napansin yun?
Diba nagbabantay nun eh? Wala namang anak yun eh.
Nah, but
Nostalgia
you know what I
daw.
mean.
Hindi,
You know what I
hindi
mean,
anak,
right?
may
You know-
shota yun.
Yeah, but you know what I mean about burger machines, bro. Like,
I don't like
may,
Basta
burgers.
burger machine.
may parang siyang, ano ba? There's like a certain criteria sa mga doon, nagtatrabaho doon. Kinda like, pag halimbawa sa BDO or pag sa Mercury Drug, yung expected na may buntis na, na pharmacist
Na teller. Ano ba?
or teller, di ba? Parang ganun. So, in Burger Machine, it has the same vibes. Na parang may, I don't know, it's like the same, it has the same vibes where, pag pupunta ka sa isang Chinese restaurant, malalaman mo kung sobrang sarap niya if yung menu
Is Chinese.
malabo na, or tapos may mga nagsisigawan sa sa kitchen, tapos galit yung pananalita nung nagsiserve sa'yo na lola, ganun, like you will know that your food is gonna be absolutely bussin' if ganun yung yung vibes niya. Same as
I get it now.
You get it now? Yeah, you get it now?
I get it
Ganun
now.
Kasi pag di ko napapansin yung pattern na yan sa sa mga nasa Minute Burger. Like I go to a Minute Burger, I look at their teller puta. I look at their fry cook and parang wala lang. Like it's just
Minute
like,
Burger
normal,
supremacy.
Normal looking person.
Alam ko, bago kasi
Pero
Minute
like
Burger
you go,
Bago nga.
anyway, may prestige kasi. May parang prestige yung Minute Burger.
So,
It's
yung
just so
you're saying na
normal.
parang nostalgic?
I don't know how
parang
to say it. I don't know how to describe it. Parang it's more of like you go to a ramen restaurant, di ba?
Stereotype,
Sa
ano ba?
Pinas. You go to a ramen restaurant like Ramen Nagi or Ippudo ramen. It has like that modern fancy vibes, di ba? But you
never
know,
mind.
Bakit? What?
Yung Minute Burger pala, 1962 pa. 1982.
Hindi na
You
bago
actually
yung Minute
research? Holy
Burger.
shit. Hindi na bago. Tagal na ng
Dating
Minute Burger.
napakatagal na
Tagal
nun.
I'm talking about the vibes.
Eh.
Okay. The overall vibes of the burger joints na inaano ko ngayon. There's just something about Burger Machine. Kasi for the longest time, pag gumawa ko ng tier list, definitely Burger Machine is gonna be up there. Not because of the vibes, but because ang sarap ng burger nila. Like, alam mo parang may itlog. Iba yung lasa nun eh. Like I would eat a Burger Machine burger rather than a fucking McMuffin sa umaga. But going back to the vibes niya, if I could compare it with ramen, kung yung Minute Burger parang Ippudo ramen or parang Ramen Nagi. Fucking Burger Machine is that ramen cart na nakikita mo naglilibot sa streets ng Japan. Okay, that's the kind of vibe it gives me. You know?
Ayun.
Di ba dati kalat yung
You're feeling
yung
nostalgic, bro?
machine burger?
Machine burger, bro.
Burger machine.
Machine Burger, bro.
Machine Burger, bro. I love that.
Dati
I
kalat
love
ka
that
rin.
shit, bro.
Machine Burger, bro.
Yeah, that's the right
Parang
stuff right
transformer.
there.
Transformer.
Basta dati kalat yan ngayon, parang ang container lang nila. I don't know why.
Yeah, kasi like, hindi kasi, yun nga, the vibes, bro. Like,
Hindi na siya pumatok?
hindi kasi sobrang
ibang,
chill ng vibes niya to the point that parang hindi na siya pinupunta inaano ng mga tao.
During the 2000s, burger machines are the shit. Laging tinatambayan.
Yeah, they were
ano
the
siya,
shit.
premium,
Laging
pre,
tinatambayan.
premium.
Lagi tinatambayan na yan ng mga high school student dati around to like 2000 to 2010s.
Doon ako
It's like-
laging tumatambay nung nga sa palengke pa kami.
Kasi mukha siyang diner, di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It has yung layout niya parang diner. It has like yung yung
Kahit
parang
Frank's.
food cart
Kahit
and then ang
Frank's.
daming mga
Oo.
bar stools all around.
Yeah.
And then that kind of branding has never changed since time in memoriam. Kaya pag tinitan ko siya, ang refreshing niya tingnan. It's green, it's blue. There's like a fucking gnome or elf mascot
Yeah,
sa
it's like
taas.
Frank's. It's like
so
Frank's.
good, exactly.
Yung Frank's mas matagal na pero yun talaga yung parang OG.
Mm.
Sa mga ano yun eh.
Franks.
Sa mga province,
Kasabayan yung
Franks.
ano ng
What the
burger
fuck
machine.
is
Franks, footlong,
Frank
mga ano
burger?
rin.
Chicken?
Bro.
I love that.
Oh my God, I live in another
Frank's
new
footlong was the
dimension,
best,
bro.
bro. Frank's footlong the best. Like I like, if I was making a tier list for hot dog, Frank's, man. Tagal ko hindi na kumain ng Frank's. Holy shit.
And halos wala na rin kasi.
Akala ko, yun yung Frank's, yun yung parang naging bagong minute burger.
Ito pa sa Frank.
Hindi.
Kasi,
ang sa
Hindi ko alam
akin,
yun.
yung mga machine burger na nakakalat ngayon,
Machine burger.
yung nag-adapt lang
Machine
sa
burger ba?
ano natin sa era is yung minute machine.
burger.
Minute machine.
Minute machine.
Tsaka Angels. Tsaka Angels.
Angels.
Holy
Angels,
shit. I kinda,
Angels,
nah.
ano.
Di ba bago
Fucking
Angels?
Angels fell off,
Hindi,
bro.
tagal na rin na Angels.
Tagal na
Angels
rin natin
Pizza na
Angels.
ngayon.
Oo, Angels Pizza.
Kailan ang
Hindi
Angels?
ata sila Angels Burger sa Angels Pizza.
Hindi,
Hindi naman
magkaiba
ata.
sila,
Magkaibang ano sila, hindi sila same company ata.
Yeah.
Diba?
But Angels
Oo.
Pizza, well,
Kala ko
Angels
na
Pizza
baldog sila
managed to like, oo nga, pumaldo talaga sila.
And-
Sarap Puta kayo. Sarap nung, they got it right.
Dad ko lang pala
Yung
yung
spinach?
Angel Burgers.
Oo. I
Natentry
never
sa
knew
Ah,
spinach would
sila
taste that good.
originate dito sa ano yun. Para sa akin,
Angels
sila
Burger is
nakilala.
like my go-to food whenever
The ultimate grease.
going to overnight sa mga computer shop.
Unang kagat, tinapay lahat.
The ultimate grease, bro.
No, I feel like, tangina.
Angels Burger.
Angels Burger number
Angels
1, bro.
Burger yan.
Yeah.
Bro, I like that clip yung natutulog yung nagtitinda tapos magluluto.
Nagluluto. Di ba minute burger? Di ba minute
Angels Burger,
burger?
Angels Burger.
Hindi! Angels Burger yun. Ay, curious lang ako. Have you tried that, guys? Yung, di ba may secret menu daw sila?
Ang alin.
Never tried that.
Ay,
Never tried to ask that.
The
Angels
foot
Burger
long,
has a
the
secret
burger,
menu.
the egg.
Yeah, may secret sila.
That's a
may
secret
ano
menu.
sila.
Man, I
Yeah.
didn't know
Alam ko
about
matagal
that.
na sila ganun.
I didn't know about
Alam
that.
ko,
matagal
kung pa
na
sabi
nilang
nila,
ganun.
secret eh.
Secret
Ain't no way.
menu.
I don't know, bro.
No,
I
ngayon
mean,
tuloy,
yung wala
secret
sa
pala
ano,
sila.
kaya secret menu kasi wala sa menu.
Sa listahan.
Ayaw lutuin. Kasi ang hirap lutuin ng hotdog.
Ang dami kasing gagawin.
Okay, Angels. Tangina, wala akong... Dude, Angels Burger is like super low compared sa sa Minute Burger.
Wow.
Kasi Minute Burger, yung patty nila malasa. Yan, like parang it tickles your taste buds. Tangina yung Angels Burger. Alam mo yung parang, hey, fuck man, it's like that.
Ang gusto
It's
ko
like
lang
that-
sa
Ang
ano.
masa naman kasi
You put
yata
a Minute
yun eh.
Burger in the ref, leave it there for 3 days. That's Angels Burger. Ay,
What
Ang
the
gusto ko
fuck?
lang sa Minute Burger is yung longganisa ano nila.
The
That's
Minute?
top tier.
sa Minute Burger.
Ay, Minute Burger, Burger Machine.
I know.
Is fuck, bro.
Everything
Yeah,
is
Burger
getting
Machine.
mixed up.
Kaya nga, puro burger kasi.
Nagkakatalo na rin siguro sa price kaya
Pero
ganun
tingnan
yung
niyo
quality.
yung social
How
media
much
ng
it-
Minute Burger.
Ay, Aaron, di ko alam kung how much.
Eisenberg.
Eisenberg.
Oh, wow, wow, wow.
Eisenberg.
Ang lala ng social media manager ng putang inang Minute Burger ngayon.
Not gonna lie. Not gonna
Ah,
lie.
yung-
Minute Burger
yung
is
nagme-meme sila,
very
di ba?
overrated, but their marketing is very top tier.
No, it's degenerate. It's not top tier. When we talk about
Puta,
top tier, we're
nakikisabay nga
talking
sila eh.
about like angkas. Okay, classy. Classy yung mga memes nila.
Pang Japan
Ito,
na, no?
Dude, literally, ito, kanina panood ko putang
They
ina.
just recently posted a fucking 9/11 joke.
Oh!
Oh
Puta,
my
Jojo.
God.
Too early. It's
ang
too
lala.
fucking early.
What the fuck? They did?
Hindi, ang lala, puta, I can literally play it in my head yung pinost nila. So it starts with the Jojo kasi they've been doing anime shit posting yung Minute Burger. Which I appreciate it. Okay, but they are treading dangerous right now.
Dangerous
They don't
grounds.
even give a shit now.
Yeah, I mean, who the fuck? Kung sino man yung parang nag-approve nun is like, oh man.
No, they violated so many things in that one video. Okay, first off, si Joe, to give you context, yung video starts off. I don't even know why they did that. Parang may gusto daw mag-order si Jotaro, sinabi niya, Abdul, may gusto mag-order ng Minute Burger galing USA. And then fucking Abdul, he's an Egyptian. Okay, he's supposed to be an Egyptian guy sa
Yeah.
ano yan, sa Jojo.
Sa Jojo.
Puta, they gave him a fucking Punjabi accent like, okay, Jotaro, let us make a burger and send it to America. Ganun sila. And then tangina, the next fucking, tapos yung si Joseph, yung matanda, he's driving the airplane. And then he's like,
Lolo niya.
yeah, we're going to the US, parang ganun. Tapos pag sabi yung ending, si Jotaro, GG! This is the wrong place. Tapos putang ina, nag-open up yung aeroplano sa labas ng Twin Towers. So,
Sinigyo sa GC.
so tangina, yung comment
So fuck,
section.
bro. It's so fuck.
Sabi yung comment section. Sabi nila,
So they hit the second burger.
What the fuck?
Minute Burger isn't even trying to fucking promote their burger.
I
They
mean,
just want to shit
They
post.
do the shit post, but not gonna lie, it's not really. Hindi naman din hindi walang affect. It's not gonna affect us since there's still Americans who's like gonna be.
Yung mga gusto ni Chris,
You know, it's actually super low tier ng shit post nila. And the reason why it's so impactful is it's because of Minute Burger.
Yeah.
Like the fact that this low tier fucking shit post was posted by
By a
the
burger
official
company.
account of the
Minute
burger
Burger.
fucking company here in the PH, and I don't know.
It's something
Kudos
that
to
I
you
would
guys.
do.
Okay.
Commercial! Gusto mo bang maging hari ng pirata? O gusto mong magka-TT Racing X One Piece chair? Or gusto mo ng table na gumagalaw? Well, di talaga siya gumagalaw. Taas, tumataas. Wait, pakita ko ba? Tumataas baba. Pwes, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Check out the link on the description at magkaka-discount pa kayo pag bumili kayo ng TT Racing products pag ginamit nyo ang aming link. Check nyo dyan at para masimulan nyo na ang comfort journey nyo. Back to the video.
That's something Chris would do. Magkano kaya ang bayad sa kanila, no? Pag social media manager kasi ganyan. You guys have any idea?
I have no idea.
Just in case I wanna retire from being a
Gusto mo lang
YouTuber,
mag-shit post.
Oo, mag-apply
post na lang.
ako sa social media manager ng Jollibee UK. Have you seen their shit posting?
Damn.
Dude, Jollibee UK's marketing is better than the Philippines.
Even
Why?
the Chicken Joy.
No, just
What do you mean?
just
What
the
do you
marketing.
mean? The Chicken Joy is shit too in the foreign countries?
Yeah. Well, ako hindi ko pa natatry. Pero tinanong ko si Deng Chan, tinanong ko na lahat ng mga Pinoy na nakilala ko dun sa London. They all say that
Bilasa.
iba yung lasa. Like, it's good. But the other things in the menu look good, I think. You know what? I'll try it. I'll take one for the team next time. Pero if anything, I will try. I will shoot my shot as a social media manager ng Jollibee, okay? Just as I can shit post. They literally just posted Claro Obscure Expedition 33 meme on the Jollibee page. I would
wow.
never have seen that here in PH.
Yeah, yung sa PH.
Sobrang shit poster din yung Jollibee social media manager ng UK. That's cool.
Let's go on a tangent here. Why
Okay.
always Chicken Joy suddenly goes to shit? Like, ang daming tao nagsasabi.
Ah, yeah.
No, that's just you, man.
No, it's not me.
I
It's not just
think-
me.
No, I think it's the branch.
It's
I
the
get-
branch,
I get
it's
it,
the branch,
It's the
legit.
branch. It's the
The
branch.
branch.
bro.
The branch.
So, probably it's a
Kasi
branch.
alam mo yun, ako dito, nung lumipat ako dito, I fell in love ulit sa Chicken Joy ng Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Kasi it's moist, it's bagong luto. Pero dyan,
See?
yung dyan sa likod natin, sana magsarado na sila.
Oh, fuck.
Alin?
Bigayan yung beef.
Yung kinainan
Yung
natin.
malapit sa atin, yung
Hey,
parang
maganda
puro
masarap.
breast and ano
Nah,
na,
bro.
like
You were just
talagang
hungry,
sobrang
bro.
lamig na.
Okay, here's the thing about Jollibee, okay? Feeling ko pag minsan, it's either the branch or talagang RNG.
It's the
time
branch.
of the day. Talaga?
Para sa it's the
The
branch.
branch. Kasi,
I just can't believe it. 2 branches here na malapit dito sa Tarlac kung saan ako nakatira.
Well, they're probably sourcing the same thing
Pre,
from the
yung-
same place.
I don't
yung
know,
branch
is it
sa
the
malapit
chicken
sa
or it's the
Pier
breeding?
House?
But they say it's the breeding though.
Lagi silang walang price kahit umaga pa lang.
Breeding pala, sorry.
Legit, like pag pupunta
Magbibigay,
kami sa sa Manila, ganyan, 'di ba? Nag-skyway tayo, 'di ba? May dadaanan tayong isa.
Oo.
'Di ba? 'Di ba? 'Di ba? Yun, yung branch na yun. Tapos
Literally just
Kung
ate
saan tayo
there.
kumain?
Kami
Kung
ni
saan
John.
niya?
ano,
Yeah, kumain
kamusta?
kami doon.
Kamusta
Masarap,
experience?
Masarap! Masarap!
Alam
I
mo
don't know,
bakit
John.
alam mo bakit naisip ni Cristo yung tangent na to? I think kahapon lang or nung isang araw, sabi ko kasi sa before mag-record, sabi ko, ako lang ba? Parang mas masarap yung
Yes.
yung
McDonald's.
chicken ng McDo kaysa sa
McDo.
Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Dumating
I don't
na
know,
nga
I don't
yung
know.
time na yun eh.
yeah, pero bro.
I don't know why, bro. It's like mas
No,
kapit
no way,
yung,
never. That never happened to me, man.
I don't know. It's
Chicken.
probably the
What
crispiness,
the
alam mo yun. Yung kinain kasi natin parang matubig parang matatanggal na yung breading sa mismong I don't know, maybe
Wait,
just
what?
me.
Yung sayo?
Yeah.
Dude, yung akin.
In-order ako
Mine was
ganun
perfect,
last
dude.
recent
Diyan
lang.
ako umorder na puro breast tapos sobrang tigas.
No, I think yung
Tinapon
akin
ko lang.
is like, I don't know, maybe lasa. Maybe lasa. Parang,
Man, I think that was
I don't know, I feel like
perfect.
kulang sa alat or some shit.
Okay.
Ano, parang
Sige,
wala na yung
what's like the
ano ba?
what's the perfect Jollibee Chicken Joy ba yung ina-expect nyo?
Yung
ito,
napipilas
Crispy
yung,
sa
yung ano.
Yeah, sige.
Sige, isa.
Go Chris, yung aga mulak here.
Aga mo lang.
Yo, iaga mo lang mga.
Yung napipilas yung chicken skin tapos pag ginano mo, maririnig mo yung lutong. Kahit pilasin mo, tapos pag kinagat mo, satisfying. Ang sarap.
True.
Ire.
Bakit di mo sinasabi, di mo
Ire.
di mo sinasabi
Napaire
yung
siya, pre.
line? Why are you not saying the line?
They're just juicy-licious.
Juicy-licious.
Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Man, fucking Aga Mulak was my Jollibee dad, bro.
What happened to Agamulak these days?
He hyped Jollibee for me, bro.
What happened to Agamulak these days?
I don't know, man.
Nice.
Yeah, that's
Joy
right,
left na lang
though.
siguro.
Yun yung hanap ko lagi sa Jollibee Chicken Joy. And
I just like it
there are
stringy,
branches where, there are RNG, feeling ko RNG siya eh. Kasi pag umuwi ako galing ba, sa NAIA, and then I've been out of the Philippines for a long time, I always crave for Jollibee.
Ay, wait.
Always. I don't know why.
So,
Saan ka
So,
kumakain dun sa NAIA?
NAIA.
There's,
Maraming NAIA.
there's an explanation. NAIA 3. Dati, Jollibee. Laging fresh dun kasi
Ang
ang daing
daming
kumakain lagi dun.
Kaya nga, that's why they never miss dun sa NAIA 3, okay? They don't
Pero
miss.
sa ibang branch kasi, like, nag-i-stay yung mga chicken na to the point na sobrang tigas na hindi mo na makain.
Nag-dry na siya.
Nag-dry na.
3-day-old. 3-day-old na yung chicken.
Kaya pala ang sarap
Yung
nung
Di na fresh.
kinakainan natin dun.
Saan?
Yeah, but
Kasi lagi bagong luto.
yeah, but the thing is that parang majority ng mga tao is like they agree na Chicken Joy is becoming shit.
No, that was just people who collectively experienced the same thing you did on that particular day
Branch.
or week.
It's like having a survey in my
Pero
Facebook
yeah,
post.
yeah. Pero if you ask me, like, let's say for example, tinanong ka, do you think Jollibee Chicken Joy has changed talaga over the years? Yung tipong yung lasa and overall, quality niya. Para sa akin, it only changed just a bit. Like, just slightly lower than what I remember nung kabataan ko.
Mas gusto ko pa rin yung yung spicy na binubudbud nila. May vlog ako noon, di ba, nung dati pa sa
Post ka.
Oo, sa Navy Sea, na yung spicy nila, pwede mo padagdagan ng padagdagan.
That's
Ito
my
kasi
pet peeve,
na eh. Ba't ayaw mo sa manghang?
Kapit pala ni G
No,
yan
hindi
eh.
sa
Pet peeve niya pala
manghang.
eh.
Like parang I don't understand people who like the spicy version of a chicken that's been perfected over
Ito ang
centuries.
dyan. Iba kasi yung timpla nung spicy dati. Baka yung natikman mo yung spicy na sa loob na.
Hindi. Ayoko lang talaga. Kasi iba, di ba pag i-compare mo yung spicy dun sa original, magkaiba lagi yung breading or magkaiba yung itsura niya. Not because of the color, but alam mo yun, like yung
Pero
yung original.
Gets.
It's like the actual skin of the chicken. Now you go to the spicy, now it looks like a fucking popcorn chicken.
Parang day old ganun.
Oh, parang may bulutong siya,
But
alam mo yun.
here's
Like,
the thing.
Obviously looks crispier, but parang it looks like bread.
Dati original pa rin. Binubudburan lang nila. Yun yung dati.
Oh, that would be great.
Yeah,
If
that is
they're using the
perfect
original.
Perfect
yung
yun,
maganda.
as in. Andun pa rin yung juiciness, yung mismong balat na talagang malutong or crispy. Hindi katulad ngayon na parang nagda-dry na nga and sa
Parang
loob na.
ini-infuse na. Oo,
Ini-infuse na. Tinutusok na. Tinutusok
Disgusting.
na yung yes.
May pula-pula
Yes,
sa
how
loob.
it
Parang
works.
syringe, parang
Ito, tinutusok na legit. Tinutusok na yung spicy.
The hell?
Oo,
So
tinutusok na yung spicy cheese.
I hope they're not using a syringe for that shit.
Ewan ko lang kung yun yung nila. Or sa mismong breading nila nilalagay. Pero kasi may maanghang na rin yung loob eh. Yun yung pinagkaiba dati na sa ngayon. Editor, kung mapapakita mo yung two-piece chicken joy na kinain ko dati. Alam ko naka-up pa
Posted
yun.
a photo of it.
No, vlog!
Nag-vlog siya nun.
Okay.
Vlog.
Kasi ito yung nag-vlog ako, sabi ko, spicy chicken nga po, pasabi po yung may galit sa mundo yung maglagay ng spicy.
I know eh.
Legit.
Ginawa nga.
Ginawa. Ayun, hindi pawis-pawis ako. Lumalagak pawis ko. Ay, ngayon, hindi mo na ma-adjust. Di ba? Parang nabibitin ka kung you're a spicy person. Wala na.
Yeah, we should make like a chicken tier list.
Video.
Fuck Mary Kill Latte.
What the fuck?
Fuck Mary Kill Latte tayo. Hindi kasi like, di ba, I mean, if we're still staying on this topic, yung KFC chicken, di ba? Like, I always prefer the original over anything, kahit yung spicy. Pero there's something about KFC spicy though, na I give it a pass. Parang it has the same quality as yung spicy version ng Jollibee, yung parang popcorn looking chicken or yung parang sobrang lala nung breading niya compared sa original niya. But there's something about the KFC spicy chicken that makes it look like it's original thing. Alam mo yun? Parang na-separate nila, nahiwalay talaga nila ng maayos yung original tapos dito sa spicy nila.
Ay, maganda. Oo.
Iba yung ano nila eh. Iba yung breading, no?
Yeah, iba yung breading.
Iba yung breading sa
talaga.
original and sa spicy. Yeah.
Yeah. It's like
How did they achieve that
Like,
shit? Parang
I don't know,
yung
bro.
yung ano ng KFC iba eh. Parang outer layer siya. Hindi siya yung actual skin, di ba? Parang breading na outer layer.
Same with Jollibee. Like I can't imagine how to make a Jollibee Chicken Joy, bro.
Nah,
Like,
bro.
Iba rin yung skin, iba rin yung breading niya. How do they do it, bro? Like compare mo
Yung
dun sa
ano
mga
lang, yung
linuluto
mix
ng
na-
magulang natin, iba eh. How do you achieve that?
May secret talaga sila.
I don't know.
Unod ka ng
man.
video ni Ninong Ray, oh. Ninong Ray.
Ultimate secret.
Okay.
Ano niya ba? Did he
Yeah, he made a Jollibee chicken.
Chicken Joy.
Yeah.
O kaya ni Ninong Neil.
Alright, I have a question.
What is your question?
What is the perfect chicken gravy combination? Like, for example, sa
What
restaurant.
do you mean
What do you
combination?
Like a chicken gravy combination. Sabihin natin,
Chicken gravy.
my perfect chicken gravy combination is like chicken ng KFC tsaka gravy ng Jollibee.
Yes.
Oh, okay. You mean if you want to mix and match
If you
it?
want to mix like...
You know what? Just say which is your best gravy, which is your best chicken.
Mix
No,
and
but
match
the
nga.
thing is
Grabe ka
that
naman
the
kay
mix.
Chris.
But the same thing. You just made it
Same
complicated
thing.
as it is.
No, same thing. Like, pero this is more of like, parang what's your top tier gravy, which is your top tier chicken. Like,
Yeah, but I'm asking for the exact combination.
Okay,
Like,
sige. Exact combination.
If you're
Okay.
gonna put a fucking chicken into a certain restaurant's gravy, what would it be? Diba?
So ano sa'yo?
Pero sa kanya,
no.
it's KFC gravy ng Jollibee.
Ooh,
Wow,
damn.
you gonna combine those? No?
Ah, shit, man.
Because I put the gravy of the KFC in the lowest tier. I can only imagine why is it I can only imagine why it's
It's
free.
Asian.
It's free.
It's us. For me,
Because
it's us yung KFC. Kasi kaya nga ano eh. Only.
Is that gravy na para siyang mashed potato na
I like
Na puro
Nasira.
harina. May
It's
puro harina at
creamy.
saka ano.
Dude, it's hindi, para siyang mushroom soup.
it
No,
kinda
I
is
like the
Para sa
mushroom
akin,
soup
ano lang.
itself, but the gravy, parang matubig na puro harina yung loob.
Yeah, exactly.
matubig sa inyo.
It's like cornstarch.
Hindi naman
na,
yung parang,
ano.
hindi siya ganun ka labnaw.
Kaya yeah.
Compare sa ibang ano.
I like the KFC Jollibee gravy combo.
You know, I've never tried, pero hindi ko siya ma-imagine. Kasi masyadong malasa yung manok ng KFC rin eh. Like, I still feel like Jollibee Chicken Joy and Jollibee Gravy is still, yun yung perfect nila.
Best partner.
That's the bread and butter of combinations. Like KFC chicken, I can imagine it going well with any gravy.
With any gravy.
Pero Jollibee Chicken Joy, I will never eat a Jollibee Chicken Joy na walang Jollibee gravy.
Yeah.
Kasi iba talaga siya. Like hindi ko lalagyan ng ketchup yan, no bro. I will not desecrate Jollibee Chicken Joy.
I cannot
anything
even
else.
with Jollibee. Jollibee betrayed me for some reason. I felt betrayed.
Betrayed me so many times. So,
See, kasi you love it. You love Jollibee
Punta ka
Chicken.
dito,
No?
Chris,
Top.
para may love ko ulit.
I used to love Jollibee. Like every
Yeah, you still do,
branch I go with the chicken, just I'm gonna try if their Jollibee chicken is very good. But makikita mo na lang na parang it's like dry as shit. You know that you're not gonna be having a fun time eating it.
You know, you can already scout it out, by the way, kung maganda yung chicken nila o hindi. Kasi naka-display na rin naman eh.
Hindi, minsan ala sa harap eh.
Wait, the chicken?
Yung KFC, makikita mo
nilalagay
sa harap
nila.
talaga.
Ay, dati.
Ano yung karinderya?
But the thing about KFC
Kukuha
is
ka
that
lang.
kahit isang araw na naka-display yun sa harapan, putang na ganun pa rin ganun pa rin yung lasa, ganun pa rin yung texture.
Hey, at least you're not getting deep fried rats in your meal.
oh yeah, speaking of issue, dati di ba nagka-issue yung Jollibee? Yung towel? Remember that shit?
yeah.
Yung naging fried talaga.
Hey, in fairness, man, it looks so good.
It looks so fucking good.
Tangina.
Sabi ko sa inyo, there's something about their breading. It may
Put a towel.
dab anything in Jollibee breading, puta, is gonna look so fucking good, man.
Which is the worst kung saan pinanggalingan ng body towel na yun? Like pampunas ng sahig? Or galing sa...
Why would you even think about
like,
it?
I don't know.
Baka table lang
Just
yan.
stop there, bro. Just don't. Also, kayo, And what's your yung combination, your perfect combination?
Hindi ko pa alam eh. Hindi ko pa nga na-try yun eh.
Yeah,
Never
pero like
tried
ikaw,
that.
like what's your holy duality of...
McDo tsaka Jollibee.
McDo na
Gravy
Chicken?
Wait, McDo what?
McDo chicken or...
Oh, yung gravy pinag-uusapan? Gravy?
Gravy
McDo,
tsaka
hindi, no.
chicken tsaka
Chicken
gravy.
and gravy combo.
Ano yung mix mo?
Ay, syempre, Jollibee pa rin tsaka yung mismong gravy ng Jollibee.
Damn, bro.
Jollibee.
Still the
Okay.
best.
I think valid, bro. Absolutely valid. Like, but ikaw ba? Sa'yo ba? Di ka ba
Ako?
purist? Yeah, ikaw.
I mean, I
Seriously.
have siguro si Chris gusto niya i-try yun. Ako wala din eh. Like
Never tried that.
feeling ko maganda pa rin Jollibee chicken.
Jollibee,
Oo.
Jollibee.
I mean, it never crossed my mind na parang oh my god, ang sarap siguro
Ako
nito
rin.
sa Jollibee, parang ganun.
Kaya ko lang naisip
Yeah.
yun kasi I really hate yung gravy ng KFC. I loathe. Parang napipilit. Like, for example, ito pa, isa ko pang kinaayawan sa KFC, their ceiling. Yung kanilang...
Ayaw
Ay,
pakain.
putang ina, I hate
What?
those, bro.
Their ceiling?
Yeah,
their
their
seal.
Yung take-out na gravy.
The seal of the
Ay,
gravy.
fucking hate those.
Ano sa sabi nila?
Yung seal nila sa gravy, oh my God.
Sabi nila. Bakit? Anong
Fucking
problema sa si...
Ang hirap buksan yun.
Alam mo
yung
ano, natry mo na ba yun?
yung ano nung gravy.
Serve
Oh.
sa
Gravy?
hot gravy and then they're gonna
Fucking
they're gonna put it into like a tight plastic
Yung
fastener.
tight seal.
Sobrang hirap eh.
Stupid.
Kailangan pang butasan.
And you're gonna have like gravy all over your hands. It's
That's why
It's
you have a
filthy.
key eh. You use a key to puncture the fucking thing.
Nah,
I agree.
bro.
Hey, at least puta secured yung ano nila. Kasi ba't kasi kayo kakain ng ganun? Take out.
Basta titusa ko na lang ng
Ba't kasi
tinidor yun eh.
nakapang take out yung ano nyo? Hingi kayo nung nasa bowl kasi.
Eh, gagawin sa Jollibee, ganun pa
Basta
rin eh.
iuwi mo yung bowl.
Sa Jollibee, ganun pa rin. Pagdating sa'yo, it's either 50-50,
Naka-tape.
nandun pa yung gravy sa
no
loob,
wonder the
or
fucking gravy
50-50
in KFC is
nakatapon na.
free.
Yes.
So good, bro.
It's free for a reason.
Then, Neil, ikaw, what's your combination?
Ano?
Perfect combination.
KFC na gravy saka
KFC na gravy?
tas mang inasal.
Hey yo, what the
Fuck off.
What
Fuck
the
out of
fuck?
here, bro. Fuck out
Putang ina,
of
disgusting.
here,
What the fuck?
Para pareha sa Anli.
Inihaw nila ganun.
Fuck
Pareha sa
off.
Anli. Joke lang, joke
Ina
lang.
mo, kadiri ka, gago.
Putang ina.
Blasphemous piece of
Para
shit.
pareha sa Anli. Anli gravy, Anli rice.
Gravy yung mga
Putang ina to.
Blasphemy, bro.
You should be locked up.
You should be locked up.
Ano pa rin ako? Jollibee.
Ang pangit ng image na
lahat kayo,
na
Jollibee.
pumasok sa
Wala ba kayong imagination?
ang pangit ng imagination ko na na-imagine ko yung mang inasal chicken sa na binuburan ng
Di mo kasi
ng
gravy, yung gravy, lulunudin mo yung kanin, tapos ilalagay mo yung inasal sa taas.
kadiri.
Tapos lalagyan mo chicken oil.
What
Stop
the
there,
Putang
bro.
ina, disgusting. Holy shit.
Why would you even why would you put a gravy?
Is that your wet dream?
No, what the fuck? I'm just joking.
That's his
What the fuck, bro?
Anyway, bro.
No, bro.
I know,
Imagine
bro.
yun eh.
You're probably thinking
Ang mga
of doing that shit.
Pilipino,
There's no way.
Do it.
Alam mo ba mga Pilipino, mahilig photo sa rage bait?
Yan na naman, sabihin nila kadiri kanino. Ganun na naman.
Comment down below, guys. Kadiri kanil, #kadiri kanil.
Actually,
Tandaan
let me
nyo to.
make yung
Tandaan nyo to, May 29, 2025, Kadiri si
Kadiri kanil.
Sabi si Trident.
#kadiri kanil.
Inasal KFC combination. Ay, pag ginawa nyo yan, send nyo na lang sa, tag nyo na lang kami.
Please don't.
Balitaan
Tag
nyo
nyo
na
lang
lang
si
kami.
Neil, not me. Not Chris, not everyone. Also, before we close this tangent, I just wanna give a big shout out to fuck off with that, man. Ano yan?
See?
Yung chicken niya.
Spicy ano nyo. That kind of look good. Yeah, kind of look good, bro. Looks crispy-licious, juicy-licious, bro. But yeah, big shout out to my boy, my what do you call this? My wild card sa when it comes to chicken and gravy.
Sino?
Uncle John's.
Uncle John's.
Uncle
Mini-stop.
John's.
Gravy.
Minimart.
Feeling ko hindi yung gravy nila.
Minimart chicken. Dude, masarap yung gravy nila.
Minimart.
Sarap ng chicken nila.
I swear it was called mini stop or some shit.
I like
Yeah.
Uncle John's.
Mini-stop dati,
Uncle John's.
yes.
Uncle
Wala-
John's.
wala na
Minimart.
mini-stop, wala na
Mini-stop
mini-stop.
dati.
It's
Wala
Uncle
Wala
John's.
na, Uncle John's na lang.
Yeah, mini-stop
Big
na dati.
shout out to Uncle
Diyos
John's.
mio,
my dude.
naka-steroid yung mga manok nila, pre.
Exactly. Kaya
Laman
eh.
Laman talaga kung laman.
Bro. They never miss. Like comfort parang nasa ano na siya, nasa level na siya ng comfort food yung ano.
7-Eleven Chicken Joy, what the hell?
No.
What?
Dude, bro, kung sa Japan may family chiki, meron tayong Uncle John's. So after
Natikman yun
the
ni 7-Eleven.
Oh, yeah. It's
7-Eleven.
Eh,
No,
Yung
man, it
parang
looks so
family
sad.
chicken nila.
Bro, it's so, yeah, it's a chicken,
It
it's
looks
chicken
so
sad, bro.
Ano, mas masarap pa yung ano ni Ate Gina.
Yeah, alin?
Yung
that point,
chicken fillet niya.
Oh,
Kaya
yeah.
sa-
Ba't kaya ganun yung mga manok ng 7? Why do they still continue selling it? Every time I look at a fucking 7-Eleven, tapos may benta silang ng chicken nila. It's the saddest thing I've ever seen.
Like
bro.
anything that's like bread coated,
It
di ba?
looks mummified.
Parang na ano na.
Alam mo yung para
lumamig
siyang para sa spicy chicken ng Jollibee pero sobrang malnourished. Yun yung itsura niya, man. Like it's all its juices were sucked out of it. It's like mummified spicy Jollibee chicken.
They're trying to preserve it.
Yeah. Well, fuck that. Also, just want to say that may McDo chicken enjoyers ba dito?
Yes.
I like
I mean,
McDo
it's
chicken
decent.
enjoyer?
It's decent.
Fuck.
Ito kasi,
way, bro.
Sa akin
Bigyan mo
kasi,
like substitute
Oh.
sa Chicken Joy.
It's decent. It's not something na parang,
Hindi,
oh my
may
God,
time
nagkikrave
kasi
ako
na
ngayon.
ano.
The fuck no way.
Sige, ikaw
Nagkikrave
muna.
ka ng McDo chicken.
hindi, may time kasi na parang dati, nilabas ng McDo, yung kay Vice Ganda, yung mas pinalaki na McChicken, mas
ito ba si
pinasarap.
Adam na panood mo, boss?
Ha?
Baka si Adam na panood mo?
Si?
Si
Di
Adam.
ba si Vice? Si
Yung
Vice.
pinagsama niya. Ang fucking
Naalala ko yun. Si Vice.
Oo,
Naalala
si
ko
Vice, si Vice.
Oo.
Tapos,
Hindi ko malala.
mas parang mas juicy. Yeah, juicy. Tapos
Yeah.
yung
Damn.
that time yung Jollibee, parang walang kwents yung manok nun. Like maliit. And nung
So
dun tumaas
nag-improve
yung
sila.
McDo. Tapos nung tinikman nga namin, yun nga, mas umayos.
Ay, no way, man.
May time na ganun. Pero ngayon, di na ako na ng McDo eh.
Nah, bro, that was probably a conspiracy. Oh. Sabihin na, pangitan muna natin yung lasa ng natin kasi maglalabas na yung isa nating kumpanya ng chicken, no, di ba?
Tapos magka-comeback siya.
Not gonna lie, the Chicken McDo na bagong bukas na McDo dito sa amin.
Is good?
It's actually bussin'. Like basta pag bagong luto or bagong franchise na
In chicken, bro.
kahit
It's
anong
so bussin'.
restaurant, anything na chicken related is very, very good.
What the hell?
Have you eaten raised chicken, Gian?
Oh!
What? Race?
The what?
Chicken. Raised
Okay,
chicken.
Oh,
I
top
think it
tier,
was-
bro.
Maybe it was that particular day, but yung race chicken was kind of sucked.
Oh, I remember one thing para.
Bro.
Kind
May
of sucked. Yung
May favorite pa pala ako isang chicken.
Ano?
Yan ako dati nung nandyan pa ako sa PR. Puta lagi kinorder Army Navy. I fucking love that shit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
So
fairness,
overpriced though.
Yeah,
Exactly.
Overpriced.
It's amazing though.
It's nice yung pepper, nila, yung pepper something na gravy.
Pepper gravy.
Yeah, sobrang goods pero overpriced pre.
Yeah,
Mahal na yan.
So overpriced, man. It's
Dalawang
it's
raised
marketed-
chicken na yun.
Oh,
parang parang guilty pleasure ko lang yung Army Navy pag bagong
Army Navy.
sweldo
Yeah.
or something. It's like, tara lab, Army Navy tayo. Di ba?
Ano daw, longganisa.
Not now. Wala pa, di pa nababayaran lab.
Longganisa is good there. Pero balik tayo sa rice chicken.
Yeah.
rice chicken.
Rice-
Rice
Hindi
chicken.
ko alam yung rice
Rice
chicken.
chicken,
What the fuck?
busing,
Boneless
freshly
it is.
cooked.
Chicken.
Yeah.
Every time freshly cooked, man.
I'm sure it is. Maybe it was just that day na pumunta ako. It was so bad.
Mag-isa ka lang ba doon?
Parang mag-isa na.
Wala kang kasama
bro.
kumain eh. Yeah.
Ang binigay sa'yo nun is yung order na di na kuha.
Hindi kinuha na Tangina. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't, alam mo yung parang if you crave for wings.
Nag-wings ka kasi. Chicken over rice, bro.
Yun nga yun. So I was, di ba, mas malasa nga dapat yung wings eh. So yung chicken over rice yung inano ko, it was mid as fuck. Sorry, race chicken, but I'm pretty sure on good days, you're pretty good. But going back to McDo though, di ba kasi, pag sinabi mo Jollibee Chicken Joy, na-imagine ko na agad yung lasa niya. Never ko na experience sa McDo chicken. Like, if you ask me to describe McDo chicken, parang mas magtataingting pa yung lasa nung homemade chicken ng mama ko or ng lola ko. Kasi parang para sa akin, McDo chicken, walang lasa.
McDo chicken, yeah.
It's literally the epitome of fucking, it's chicken and breading. That's it.
Bakit sinasabi mo
I
sa
think we're the-
Bonchon?
Na bro, putang ina ang lasa ng ng bonchon eh. Balat nga lang
Di ba,
binabayaran mo sa bonchon.
Ito mo yung bonchon dati.
Na, bonchon is disgusting.
I love bonchon. I fuck with bonchon, bro.
Pandemic, yeah. Puta na nung nalaman kong merong bonchon na in-order. Sabi ko, try nga to. It's around like 2020, 2021, around pandemic. Yun ata yung reason kung bakit ako tumaba that time.
See, Bonchon bussin'. Bonchon actually bussin'. Like on any day, I'd take Bonchon, bro. Pag pinapili mo ako, Bonchon between Jollibee, Bonchon, bro. So good.
Wait, ano favorite flavor mo? Di ba may flavor pa?
It's like, basta yung honey.
Honey,
soy ba yun?
garlic,
honey soy.
something.
Honey garlic or garlic soy.
Honey, garlic
Garlic soy is good. Yung honey
I like
nila.
I like the
also
original
good.
Korean flavor.
And what's good about Bonchon now is, dati kasi, parang medyo bougie pa siya. Like, parang it cost around 200 something or 250 pesos yung ano niya. Now, ganun pa rin yung presyo niya, but take a look at the other fucking fast food chains. Ganun na rin yung presyo ng mga chicken nila. So, Bonchon stayed consistent. So, huge props on them for keeping
For the price, pero lumit yung manok.
For the price. Yeah, okay pa rin yung manok.
Okay pa rin yung manok.
Bonchon. Okay pa. I never have a good I never have a bad day when it comes to Bonchon. Okay. Not unlike sa, 'di ba, pag Jollibee, pag minsan makuha natin yung dry ass chicken or pangit yung yung gravy niya, or basta Bonchon, wala, consistent.
I've known some people who hate Popeyes for some reason.
I hate Popeyes.
No. Why?
Popeyes, when you look at their chicken, it's so plump, diba? It's so plump. Breading is really good. Ang problema sa Popeyes is, despite being
Louisiana chicken. Louisiana style chicken.
It's yung lasa niya is so mid. Parang feeling ko kulang sa seasoning. Like yung pagkaluto niya, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng pagkaluto. You look at on the first layer of a fucking Popeye chicken. Pag tiningnan mo siya, ang ganda niya tingnan. Pero pag tinikman mo, it's mid.
Damn,
It's
bro.
like it's like a tier higher lang from a McDo chicken.
Naging
Yeah,
usapang manok.
ganun yung lasa ng Popeyes.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I like Popeyes. Every time na may opportunity that I could order from Popeyes, I'll go there.
I mean, nakakabusog siya. Like,
Ang
if
gusto
you
ko
just
sa
wanna
Popeyes
eat
yung finger chicken nila.
finger chicken, di ko na
I like
Yeah.
the biscuits as
Finger
well.
chicken?
Yung mga dip kasi nila, that's nice.
the dip. Maybe
Yeah.
maybe kinulang na sa dip yung akin.
And then, tinry mo na ba yung finger chicken?
No, hindi pa.
Chicken finger, man.
Masarap ba?
Chicken finger, yeah.
Man, we should have just made a fucking chicken tier list.
Chicken fearless podcast.
Fearless podcast. Ano
I-
yan?
I-
Sana
I-
natin.
Oo, main ano.
No, I don't know. We've been talking about chicken and food for the past 40 fucking minutes. Might as well be the fucking thing. Our unofficial tier list. Hindi pa to tier list eh. Parang we're just discussing about which chicken
Chicken.
is up.
Tangina, usapang manok.
Just usapang manok.
Usapang manok ang puta.
Usapang
Ang
fried
inan yan.
chicken. Usapang fried chicken. Okay, yun. Speaking of fried chicken, again, I just wanna give a special mention ulit. I just wanna give a special mention to Shakey's. Shakey's
yeah,
chicken.
yeah.
Yeah.
If you know.
If you know,
May
you
nangyari
know.
sa akin doon,
Tang
putang
ina. Wait, what? What the fuck? What happened sa'yo?
What happened to you,
I got
bro?
traumatized from eating chicken, bro. Dahil sa Shakey's.
Dude, why?
Sa Mindanao, sabihin ko yung sa Mindanao ab. Puta ilang
Fuck,
Shakey's
what
na yan.
happened there? Ano nangyari doon?
Nangyari.
Sinadya ko kasi sabi ko, fuck, I wanna drive somewhere. Alam mo yun, like, I wanna get the fuck out. Sabi ko,
Oo,
Shakey's. Puta, it's like 5 a.m. Let's go eat sa Shakey's. And nag-order ng 2 pizza. Nag-order ng manok. Kasama ko pa yung, yung mga people dito. Ganun.
Yeah.
Pagdating doon, I was so ready to like bite on the crunchiest chicken I have ever held my hands nung araw na yon. And the first fucking thing na nakain ko was balahibo ng manok. And it tastes like shit. Ang legit, like, alam mo yung lasa ng piniritong buhok. Alam mo, parang ganun. Like,
Wait, yung feather niya nakain
the feather,
mo?
bro.
Okay, akala ko balahibo
What
ng
the
tao.
fuck?
Putang
Na,
ina.
bro, like, literal
buhok ng
feather was, like,
nagluto eh.
kumpulan siya, gago. Parang yung breading sa ilalim nun is a big surprise yan.
So what happens next though?
Sana,
Did
did you call the
you, ask
manager?
for refund?
No, bro.
Why?
Okay, of
You
course.
should have,
May
bro.
mag-ask.
Of course.
I just let it be, bro. Niluwa ko na. The others seem fine. Parang wala namang feathers sa kanila eh. Parang sa akin
Yeah,
na
but
meron.
the thing is that pag nireklamo mo yun, taka na, libre dapat yun eh.
Libre yun, bro.
Damn, bro.
Any
Libre.
chance you get on a restaurant pag may
Man,
pag may
fucking Karen, bro.
nakitang anomaly?
I should be a Karen, bro.
No, you're not being a Karen. It's just
It's just your
kasalanan ng
customer's rights.
Just
Oh.
right, yeah.
Kasi,
man.
ano yun eh, labag yun sa 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 health sanitary bullshit
may-
protocols sila eh. So,
may kilala pa
they
naman
will
sa
do
atin
their everything.
You get a compensation. Baka nga full
Oh.
refund yung gawin sa'yo.
Oo, bro.
Kahit yung pizza mo, libre.
Oo, bro.
Damn, W bro.
Paldo!
Damn, that was also the time
Paldo!
na
Paldo
kumuha ko
talaga.
ng card nila.
Actually, low-key, I actually wish that would happen to me all the time. Okay. Para libre ako.
Legit?
Like, I can take it. Dude, balahibo naman ako. I can take that. Fucking I'll
Kakainin mo muna bago
kainin
mo
ko muna
reklamo.
lahat. Reklamo pa. Or papalitan nila ng bago. Dude, free meal. Anyways, ano yun? What are you saying?
Wala naman.
It's done, bro.
I'm just
But
done.
yeah, Shakey's chicken.
Shakey's
tangina,
chicken is it's another guilty pleasure of mine since
Ain't no way, Chris.
like parang every time
Shakey's
na mag-order
Mojos.
ka, every time mag-order ka, it's always the chicken and Mojos, and it's
Chicken.
so expensive.
Pero for
Why,
the
bro?
value,
Why you wanna
very
eat
good.
the Mojos, bro? Pagkakagat mo, parang karton.
What? Pag ano yun,
Fuck is wrong with you, bro?
Yung Mojos na kinain mo, it's like a fucking 2 hour
Kadakain ko ng Mojos, yun yung
Baka
binibili
kamote yung
mo.
mojo sa akin.
Nah, bro, nakikikain ako ng Mojos kay Chris, and it always like parang, it's so fucking lump, parang kumakain ka ng karton.
So that's why, bro. Because you're getting the mojos of others.
Yeah.
Try
Try to
eating
buy
your
a
own
fresh-
mojos,
Man,
bro.
bumili na rin ako ng Mojos, it sucks, bro, it sucks. I always,
More for me then pag nag-ano tayo.
Maganda yung
pag nag-Shakey's tayo.
Mojos, like freshly cooked Mojos is
Yeah, it's
is the
good.
best. Lalo
Really
na
good.
if it's like spicy and then you put it in the gravy.
Damn.
Hindi ako makarelate.
Sobrang mahal
Pira ako
lang.
order dyan eh.
Sobrang mahal lang.
Order ka na
Sobrang
mamaya.
mahal.
Order ka na mamaya. Alam mo na.
No.
Like, there's something about Shakey's chicken. I don't even like their pizza. But pag nag-Shakey's kami,
Shakey's?
it's always the chicken. Shakey's, yeah.
You don't like the thin
Shakey's is
crust?
a pizza joint. What the fuck are you talking about?
You don't like the thin crust?
I don't
pizza?
like the pizza ng Shakey's.
Ano ba gusto mo
Actually,
pizza?
any fucking pizza joint here, like Pizza Hut, Shakey's, ayoko, I hate it. It's
I
so
hate
bad.
Pizza
Do
Hut.
you not like
It's so
SNR?
greasy. It's so SNR is fine.
SNR is fine,
Yung kinain natin last time, Landers. That was pretty good for if wag ka lang mag-over. Like just
That fucked
eat
me
one
up.
slice, that's it.
That fucked
okay,
me
that
up.
fucked me up.
That fucked me up.
It's one of those pizzas na kailangan isa lang, okay? You should stop yourself from eating one more or else you're gonna regret
Ito na
it.
kailan ba kayo?
Ewan ko, putang
Two
ina.
slices
Kinakain
lang.
na nun natin
Nakadalawa
eh.
nga lang ako. Pagbalik ko wala na isa eh.
I think I had three.
Ako, nakaisa lang ako.
Oo, nakadalawa. Pagbalik ko, yung isa pa kinakain ko na wala.
Thank you, Titi Racing.
Yun yung
for,
kinain niya, ni Neil, yung isa mo.
Wag na.
Thank you, Titi Racing, for that
Hindi
pizza.
kasi yung
but holy
Landers
shit.
naman napaka nung pizza parang ano yun, hindi parang
New
pizza
York.
parang it fell to the bone, alam mo yun.
Nah, bro.
Yeah,
Ang
bro.
hirap nga yun eh. Ang hirap na punitin eh.
Fell to the bone.
Tapos si Chris, parang nag-ano ng pita bread. Putang inang yun.
Hindi, exactly.
Gagaling yun.
Exactly, parang,
What the fuck?
alam mo,
Yun
parang
nga.
naging na,
Sa hirap parang nadudurog mo na siya.
Nabobobo
Alam mo
na
yun?
yung gamit nila na ano
parang,
yun.
parang,
ang
I
hirap.
was like,
yung
holy
pizza
shit, man. That fucking
Kasi-
pizzas get cannibalized.
to give our viewers
Alam,
and
bibigyan ko dapat si Seth noong una pero nung nagwasak-wasak sabi ko kainin ko muna to.
Parang nalamog na eh.
Nalamog na eh.
Kasi siguro nakuha yung akin eh. Kasi kala,
oh,
labog lang.
nakita ko yun. Yung slice ni Ken.
Kinuha.
Ang ina kasi, to give
Magbabayad kasi dapat ako.
to give context sa mga listeners. Like, nagpa-pizza yung Titi Racing sa amin. And then dumating yung pizza. Like, for the first time, ngayon ako nakakain ng Landers pizza. And I'm like, wow, damn. Look at those bacon bits. They're actually bacon. Ang kakapal ng mga toppings. Like, damn, this looks buzzing. Tapos may 'di ba, may parang hiwa na dapat siya. Pero yung tinatry natin kumuha ng slice, wala tayong makuha. So, the pizza, the big ass pizza ended up turning into like a boodle fight fucking pizza. Okay? Parang instead of triangular slices, it's like every man for himself. So pinagpupunit-punit na.
Everyone is fighting for
parang
it.
zombie apocalypse namin yung putang inang pizza na yun. So everyone's like instead of taking triangles, everyone's taking continents of fucking pizza. Yun yung nangyari. So si Ken, ano yung ginawa nangyari sa Ken?
Bumili kasi ako ng yung ano yung tawag doon,
Yung organizer.
organizer doon sa table namin. Then yan, babayaran ko na. Sabi ko, ay sige po, wait lang po. Binaba ko yung pizza.
Binaba niya yung continent.
Pagkabayad
sa
ko,
box
pagbalik ko,
ulit.
sabi ko, wala, saan na yung pizza ko?
and then, dude, it happened so fast. Anong nangyari? Nakita ko yung lahat eh. So, binaba ni Ken yung continent, yung continent of pizza niya. Tapos, may umalis siya. Dumating yung isang, si Honey Glaze. Yun yung pangalan ng staff ng And then, siyempre, nakipag-boodle fight na rin siya. She took whatever was available in front of her. So, this piece looked clean. She took the whole continent na drinap ni Ken doon. And I'm like, huh? Ano nangyari? I was eating kaya hindi ako nakapagsalita. Tapos like shortly, like 2 seconds later, bumalik si Ken. Saan yung pizza ko? So hindi na ako nagsalita. Tumatawa na lang sa salon.
Tangin na, kumuha na lang ako.
Oh yeah, that fucking pizza was pretty good. Lander's pizza, it's pretty good, but don't go overboard with it. Yeah.
2 slices. Para siyang pancit canton.
Yes. Going back to Shakey's chicken though, oh my god, it's one of those chickens na usually diba pag chicken gusto natin pinapair with rice. Dude, Shakey's chicken is one of those chickens where gusto ko lang talagang
Kainin
papakin.
yung chicken, oh.
Like I just right to the bones, like ubusing. Oh, and there's spaghetti. There's spaghetti. It's very good. Pati yung ano nila.
Lasagna.
Yung lasagna. Not a fan of their lasagna. Yung garlic bread nila that comes with the mojos and the their spaghetti. Pretty good. Pretty bussin'. I'm so sorry to all our viewers. Siguro gutom na sila ngayon. Naglalaway na sila for the past.
Nakala usapan natin NCAP, mga ganyan, naging
Akala ko,
plata.
NCAP. Punta tayo sa pagkain.
Yung pinagsimulan is like fucking burger machine. I've just made a tangent sa chicken. Putang na, the whole topic now is the fucking chicken itself.
I'm so happy I ate McDo before this. Burger. Not chicken, of course. But yeah. We were supposed to talk about, ito, linista ko nga dito. Kasi, yeah, let's go over it. Let's go through these, kasi di ba, every week we post something sa PR page where, anong gusto nyo kung sa namin sa podcast? And I listed down these things. So, here's bilisan na lang natin kasi ang dami nag-request ito. Chris, they want to talk about they want us to talk about MCU Phase 5. I have no idea.
Oh my god, MCU Phase 5. We cannot really talk about MCU Phase 5 since the only person who's like following up to the story ng MCU is ako tsaka si Vanilla, but Vanilla only watches the good ones while me I only
the more good ones. Bad ones.
I only watched a handful. I never watched the Marvel since I don't like it for some reason. Ano pa nga ba? Wait, hold on.
Wait, itong may bisinend si John kasi na photo ng Phase 5 graph.
Yeah.
So, it started back in 2023.
With
Papala.
Quantumania. I kinda...
With Quantumania. What the fuck is that?
I've heard that Quantumania is it's shit. Ever since like, what's his name? The actor of Kang. What's his name?
Jonathan something. Majors.
Jonathan Majors, yeah. Ever since Jonathan Majors had this controversy towards him, parang nag-change of direction yung para magiging endgame ng MCU Phase 5, which is, it became Doomsday.
Wait, Quantumania happened after Endgame?
After Endgame, yeah. It's supposed the main baddie is supposed to be Kang the Conqueror.
Yeah.
Kaya nagkaroon niya ng controversy, so they kinda shifted towards another villain.
Bro.
But the thing is that Jonathan Majors is cleared up to any allegations that you cannot really turn it back kasi in production na yung Marvel Doomsday, yung Avengers Doomsday, which ang magiging main baddie is Doctor Doom. I don't know if it's much better or but I was really intrigued on the Kang Dynasty part. Kasi yun talaga yung mag-open na parang multiversal shit. Parang yun, nandun yung setup eh. Pero mag-iiba na yung setup niya. But anyways, I never watched Quantumania just because I've heard bad things about it. And plus,
you should watch it, bro,
MCU fatigue. Parang I got fed up with the too much MCU stuff that I've been with. But Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3 is the best Guardians of the Galaxy is the best Guardians of the Galaxy.
Ito ba yung what the fuck?
That you could possibly watch.
The Adam Warlock yun ba?
Yeah, the Adam Warlock.
The Adam Warlock
Yung meme na yun.
Guardians of the Galaxy.
Nagsusum sa ulo.
It's a perfect ending arc para sa character ni Rocket Raccoon. And personally, Rocket Raccoon ano siya, he's my spirit animal kumbaga. Like whatever,
yeah, I can see that.
Like like whatever,
I can see that.
Like whatever issues that Rocket Raccoon has in his character arc, I can honestly relate. Yeah.
Did he die? Why are you saying end of his character? What the fuck?
End of his character arc kasi yun yung yung parang makes him the
Na-establish na siya.
Rocket Raccoon. Yeah.
In-establish siya.
Kasi,
Doon ba inano yung backstory niya?
No, yeah. Dun yung parang kung paano siya naging ganun.
You know, I have never seen a single Guardians of the Galaxy movie.
You should watch it. It's a lahat ng Guardians of the Galaxy volumes are pretty good in my opinion.
I think nanood kasi ako ng the entire timeline. May gumagawa ng video na ganun eh.
Oh, yeah.
The entire timeline is like 4 fucking hours.
Yeah, pag tinatapos.
I was like, oh my God, bro. Yeah. So magsisimula talaga sa pinakauna, like isusunod-sunod nila yung timeline. Like mauna sa Eternals, mga ganun-ganun. It's really nice. Tapos yung catch-up niya is yung Brave New World na. Doon na natapos.
Brave New World, yeah.
Damn.
So let's move on to the next.
Hindi ako makarelate.
Ako rin
So
eh.
Sige lang, I'm listening.
So let's move on to the next show. Supposedly, it's Secret Invasion. They could have done more in this series, but the thing is that it's so bad.
What the fuck happens to Secret Invasion?
Secret Invasion is supposed to be
It's a series.
It's a Secret Invasion is supposed to be it's supposed to be a Skrull invasion, like the Skrulls from the Marvel.
Yeah.
Ang pangit nito legit, I think di ko siya napanood, 'di ba? Pero it kinda undermines what the fuck happened kasi it makes you think, 'di ba? Kasi most of the people na nandun or naka-discover na namatay na si Iron Man didn't even know he died. Tama?
Yeah. No.
Kasi those were Skrulls all along.
Yeah,
Tama?
those
or
were
hindi?
Skrulls. But the thing is that
Skrulls are sila yung mga shapeshifters.
Yeah.
Shapeshifter. But the thing is about the thing rin kasi they tried to fix it dun sa parang deleted scenes kumbaga ng Falcon and the Winter Soldier show.
Sige, go.
They tried to assume na Rhodey, who is Tony's best friend, didn't manage to witness kung ano yung nangyari talaga kay Tony Stark. They're trying to build that. They're trying to show na Rhodey wasn't Rhodey all along after Civil War. Dito sa show na to, but they kinda re-rolled that part.
The fuck?
No, yeah, they parang
They undid?
kinancel nila yun. They undid
What
that
the fuck?
kasi
So it's non-canon now?
Yeah, nirelease nila yung parang deleted scene ng Falcon and the Winter Soldier na parang fucking Rhodey can move nakakagalaw na siya ng ayos, kumbaga. Parang wala siyang injure. Parang dun sa part na yun, dun sa Falcon and the Winter Soldier, parang dun na siya nag-switch dun sa Skrull. But anyways, going back to the Secret Invasion plot, it's pretty shit.
Okay, so wala. You can just go through your life without. Okay.
I mean,
sige. Ganun mo na lang anuhin.
Yeah,
like,
it's
how about this one? Like, okay, how about
Skip
Loki
it.
season 2?
Loki season 2, however, if you
Goated?
it's goated. If you watch Loki, if you watch Loki, Loki season 1, Loki
Watch it,
season
bro,
2
please,
would
bro.
make it sense. Kasi if there's a TV show that I could forget and watch it again, I would pick
it would be this.
the whole Loki.
Yes, bro, yes.
The whole Loki series. Yeah.
Puta, ganun ba kaganda yun?
It's really fucking good,
Kung
bro.
natapos
I
season
haven't
1 lang
watched
natapos
it
ko
yet.
eh.
I haven't watched
It's
it
really
yet.
fucking good, legit. You guys should watch this.
Dito rin yung parang closing ng parang character arc ni Loki. But the thing is that it's not the original Loki though.
Yeah, it's
not
a
the original
variant
Loki.
of the Loki. Our real Loki died.
Our real Loki died, but the thing is,
What the
died.
fuck? Our real Loki died?
Yes.
When did he die?
What the fuck?
Kaya no, kay Thanos.
Thanos.
Thanos, yung
We literally watched this sa cinema.
Holy
bro, what
shit!
the
I
hell,
don't-
bro?
I forgot.
Chicken jockey.
I forgot, bro. I actually forgot what happened to Loki. Holy shit.
What the fuck, man?
Akala ko yun. I thought that was the Loki variant na
Okay,
sa season 1.
let's,
I thought he died and then he got wait, no. Fuck.
Yeah, I did die.
I remember meron pala sa
Nakataka
meron palang
siya,
Loki
oo.
na tumaka sa Tesseract. Yun yung pumasok
that's the
sa yun yung
variant,
Oh shit.
Because
Okay,
that variant is trying to go away from the secret timeline. Yeah, but
Okay. No, okay. That's
it's gonna be
much easier now.
it's convoluted.
It's so fun. It's nice. It's nice.
What the fuck?
It's so hard to explain what the fuck is a secret timeline. Like if you haven't watched the movie, but
Tama. You should watch it,
yeah,
Ken. No?
you should really watch it. Kasi
So patay ni Loki talaga ng Avengers yung may original.
the secret timeline version ng Loki is dead. Yeah.
Yung natin,
Oh,
yung
damn.
Earth number something.
But this Loki is so much better. Yeah, this Loki is so much better. Anyways, going next is the Marvels. I haven't watched it. I have my personal
Okay,
reasons why I didn't watch it. Let's just move on.
Okay, let's just move on before we say anything bad. Okay, next.
Okay.
Echo. What the fuck
Echo.
even is this?
Echo is a
Fuck is
character
Echo?
from his debut.
Who the
Her
fuck is
debut. Her debut
Sino yan?
reveal was
Her?
Echo was
The green.
Echo. Yeah, it's
Yung may tumatagos?
Hindi.
Okay.
Let me explain.
Is she hot?
Darren
Oh
Book.
wait, holy shit, never mind.
No.
Let me backtrack on that.
Bale, lumabas siya sa Hawkeye na series. Which is one of the tracksuit gangs, kumbaga. Kalaban dito si Wilson
Kingpin.
Fisk. I never really watched it. I just watched the part where Daredevil was in it.
Ito ba yung may memes ni Daredevil na pangit or hindi?
No,
Iba pa to?
no.
Okay, alright. Sige, alright, that's cool.
I think you're mentioning She-Hulk.
There was a Daredevil fucking series recently. But there were memes about Kingpin and it was a shitty meme.
Oh,
I don't know, anyways.
I don't remember. But
Okay,
yeah,
so
you
Echo-
could skip this since Echo ano siya that Echo covers the street criminal part ng New York. It doesn't really cover the whole Marvel thing. Parang irrelevant kung sa
Okay.
like kung sa
In the
Parang
grand
filler
scheme
art
of
lang.
things,
Filler ano lang
Yung
sila.
parang habang nangyayari yung mga ganitong bagay sa ibang tao, parang there's a street level threat na nangyayari sa New York and Echo is dealing with
Okay.
it. Plus Daredevil. Yeah. Let's
next.
go towards to Deadpool and Wolverine. This one,
It was pretty nice.
this is good. This is good.
Yeah,
It was
pretty
fun.
nice.
It was fun. I think it was fun.
I think I've watched.
I'll take you there.
No, don't do it.
No.
I think I've watched the whole Marvel anthology again before I watched Deadpool sa Disney Plus, so that parang I got that experience on rewatching it again.
What?
What? What do you mean?
You mean
Wait,
Deadpool?
why
Kala ko
was
Loki
that-
lang eh.
Yeah,
You
parang
cheating
Why was that
bastard, bro.
necessary?
Parang
Why was that
sinimulan ko sa
necessary for you para sa Deadpool and Wolverine?
I don't know. It's just I just
Why
wanted
was
to
that
I just wanted to rewatch everything except the things that I do not want to watch. Yeah.
Yeah,
but-
not gonna lie. There were some cringy moments sa Deadpool and Wolverine. You know, may mga sobrang pilit na na ano yan? Na fourth wall break doon. Na parang, uy, didn't have to say that. But anyways.
the proposal.
Pero do you-
What the fuck was that?
No, hindi, okay lang yun. Hindi, I mean, there was one tirade na ginawa ni
Should
ni
watch it
Deadpool
again, bro.
doon na about something about Disney. Like he was shitting on Disney.
Oh yeah,
Dun
yeah.
Sa, ano,
Oh,
yun.
no.
I think that-
He
that
wasn't.
was-
No, he wasn't shitting on Disney. He was shitting
Hindi,
on
parang he was-
Fox.
Fox and Fox or kung sino man, basta yun, he was doing that. Sobrang sabi ko, man, this is too much. Eh, parang usually yung mga fourth wall break ni Deadpool is more subtle. This one was like, he was just going, parang feeling ko
He's
parang
going
off script
ham
na
it,
yun eh.
yeah.
He was just going ham on it. But yeah.
Damn, nasa
Also, do
Disney
you
Plus
agree
na pala to
na,
eh.
like, I like the, what do you call this, yung appearance ulit ng mga ano, ng ibang Marvel characters. We got Blade, we got fucking, si Gambit.
Si
And then
Firestorm.
I like how
that
they
part.
I like how they absolutely shit on
Si Heatwave gago.
on hindi si Heatwave si ano sino yan si Human Torch.
Yeah, I keep calling him
They
Heatwave.
they done that guy dirty, bro. Sobra tangina. But it was a fun watch. Deadpool and Wolverine. So good. Also explains something about yung ano, yung current what do you call this? Yung current sino yung ano, yung sa Logan, the girl yung Ellie nila sa Logan.
Logan Paul?
Hindi,
Si Laura.
X,
Si Laura's
Oo.
X-22.
Si X-22 yun.
Yeah.
So, that kind of tied it up.
You know,
And
Deadpool
then-
and Wolverine gonna make much more sense if you have watched Loki, since TVA came from that show.
Yeah.
So, we move on to Agatha All Along. And
No,
I
I-
absolutely have no
I
idea what the
have
fuck it
no-
is.
Fuck, no, just
So,
skip
let's
it.
skip that.
Let's
Keep it
just,
Captain America, Brave New World. Ikaw nakapanood na din.
Oh,
Chris.
God.
Well, what happened to
I
it?
have a mixed feelings for this movie.
I hate it, bro.
yung-
I'm straight.
Ito yung ano,
straight.
di ba?
It's a talk
Diba
to jutsu
yung-
movie.
Really?
Yeah, it
Not-
is.
Like,
What the fuck? Puro salita.
Like, listen,
stop it,
nanonood ako
Red
sa...
Hulk. You're not red, you're green. Ganun ba?
Yes, nanonood ako sa siyan. So like,
Oh,
what the
fuck.
fuck? When is the fucking climax, bro? Like, what the fuck? Tapos na? No way! What? Wala man lang action na, alam mo yun, na...
I have mixed
na-
feelings.
So
Yeah.
fucking...
Wait, no way, Chris. You said it was absolutely good.
It was
Sabi mo.
buzzing, bro.
No.
Nagka-post clarity ka na.
Nagkaroon na, no.
Most not
I don't
clarity.
hate it. I don't enjoy it as much as I enjoy Thunderbolts. It's parang when I watch
Thunderbolt.
Captain America, I'm like, okay. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Parang ganun. But right now, I'm having a mixed feelings kasi just having a retrospective about the movie itself. The pacing at the start is so slow. It's parang unnecessary na parang sobrang bagal ng pacing dun sa simula, but when it comes to the middle part, now that it picks up, now it's interesting to watch kasi there's an intrigue, but they kind of did dirty on the villain there. Captain America Brave New World was supposed to be a new Hawk film, if ever. I don't know why Captain America became the one who's gonna fight the main bad guy over there, but it's supposed to be.
Sino ba yung main bad guy ngayon sa ano?
It's supposed to be It's
Brave New World.
The main bad guy there was. Do you remember dun sa Incredible Hulk nung si
The OG one, the old one.
No, not the old one. Before
It is
the old
old one, man.
Parang tag dito. Di ba may kausap siya nun na parang natabo na.
It is the old one, bro. It is the old one. Meron pa bang ibang Incredible old? Oh my goodness, bro. Ain't no way.
Ain't no way Chris crashed out, bro.
He crashed out, bro.
Ain't no his fucking internet
literally
crashed
crashed out, bro.
He hulked out, bro.
Ang ibig lang sabihin, no? Yung sasabi ko kasi, di ba nung nanood na tayo ng Avengers, wala na kasing backstory for Hulk.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
like, it makes you think na yung mga naunang movies ba, yung tatlong movie na yun, was it like yun yung timeline?
Hindi nga si Bruce Banner ng... Siya ba yun? Fuck, I don't know.
Yun nga yung weird.
I don't follow Hulk, bro.
Yun yung, that's the old Hulk. Yung nakita ko. Huh?
Can you guys say Hulk? Sinabi ko sino si Hulk.
Nah, bro.
Okay, tapos...
That's
Wait,
it.
wait, there was a red Hulk dun sa Captain America Brave New World. So where the fuck is Green Hulk during that time, bro? Like, what was happening, man? Wala siya dun. Literally, wala siya dun.
Hindi kasi
They didn't get Bruce
after
Banner
yung
there.
Captain America kasi Brave New World, after na siya ng like everything. So nag-disband din yung Avengers, wala na.
Avengers. Oh, yeah.
I think
yeah.
yung na siya, 'di ba? Yung nag-fuse na sila ni Hawk.
Oo nga.
Naging
He's forever, naging Shrek na siya.
Oo,
literally Shrek.
he became Shrek.
Yeah,
I
but
don't know.
was he there? Was Bruce Banner there?
No, bro.
Wala.
Di ako nanood ng ano yun, yung She-Hulk.
She-Hulk?
Yeah, di ako nanood nun eh. But I think nag-settle down na siya dun. He was training the grill.
The grill. Okay.
Yeah.
Siya na si All Might.
Oo, parang
Siya
nag-ano
na si
siya.
All Might. Tapos ginawa. Okay.
So, Captain
Tapos,
America is just... I think, ayaw nga pala, balik tayo. Ang gusto kasi sabihin ni Chris, yung isa kasi sa kalaban doon is yun yung kausap ni Bruce nung nagtatry siyang maghanap ng cure para doon saan niya, yung shit niya. So, pinapadalan niya ng blood para mag-sample and all that stuff. Ngayon, di ko alam kung anong ginawa, but that guy was probably secretly injecting himself with the gamma.
Experimenting with it. Yeah,
Or I don't know, baka
and he became red.
No, it wasn't that. It's that, ano ba, paano the thinker or some shit? Yeah, it's other guy. It's the other guy.
Ikaw para papanood din yun.
It's another guy, pero yun yung yung scientist, parang ano siya. It's more of like nag-iisip, nag-enhance yung utak niya and shit.
Nice. And
Anyway, bro.
yeah, fuck, I don't
Nawala
know.
si Chris.
Nawala yung
Ano nangyari sa
pinaka-may-
Daredevil Born Again. Yeah, nawala si Chris. So that
Nawala
means
yung pinaka-importante.
this is where the fucking Marvel talk ends.
Ay, nawala na
Wala
ilaw
na.
sa kanila.
Oo.
Nawala na iwan
Pero
sa
i-mention
kanila.
na natin
Okay.
Thunderbolts number 1, bro.
Did you watch Thunderbolts?
Yeah.
I
But-
did. It was amazing, bro.
Damn,
Probably
bro.
the best Marvel movie in this phase.
Ain't no
Kasi
way, bro.
it covered-
Better than Avengers.
Walang Avengers dito eh. Nagsimula tayo sa Ant-Man Quantumania.
Okay. So, Thunderbolts, ito lang gusto ko malaman, Thunderbolts. There was this guy na ang power niya is to fucking, ano yun?
Everything.
Like, turn everything black.
No, that was not his power. That was the alter ego's power.
He has
So-
another.
No,
ano ba talaga yung power niya?
Alright, so ano kasi, before siya...
Who is that person?
Okay, first muna. That person is an addict. Ano siya, nagsashabu siya, the drugs. And
Okay,
he's
nagsasabu
like,
siya.
he's always been depressed. He had the worst fucking childhood trauma. Parang ganun. Tapos
Yeah,
out
yeah,
of
okay.
all the experiments, siya lang yung katawan lang yung tumanggap ng serum. So ngayon,
Okay.
it enhance yung pagiging like si Captain America, 'di ba? Like I think that's how the serum works. It parang it magnifies yung kung what type of person are you,
Wait.
and it also gives you
Ah,
super
so
strength and all that shit.
So he got the same serum
Yes, he got the
ni
same
Captain America.
whatever, yes.
So kabatch niya si Captain America ganun.
Not really kasi sa movie na yun ang daming serum eh.
Okay.
Like alam mo
Sige,
yun, like
sige.
may serum from Russian, may serum sa Hydra, may serum si
Yeah,
Captain
yeah.
America, and then this
Okay.
company was making their own. Siya yung
compound V nila.
Compound V. Siya yung lumabas, siya yung ano.
Okay.
So,
Tapos?
his need for like, literal Homelander. Sabi ko nga, nanonood kami sa, puta, this is Homelander. Gumano na ako. I can't believe it, bro. We're actually
So
looking
he
at
hates
the...
people or something, ganun.
Not really. Parang he has yung ano niya, yung parang chill side niya. Yung parang fucked up kasi yung childhood niya. Parang he wants, ano ba yun? Ano bang ano ni Homelander? He wants like parang ano ng tao.
He wants validation.
Oh,
He
parang
wants
ganun, like
love.
someone na mag-accept
wants
sa kanya.
love.
Kasi he's fucked up, you know?
Yeah.
And then the other is just so
Okay.
fucking depressed, you know? He depressed.
Okay.
And then
Yeah.
that's it. Yun. It's just, yun yung type siya ng person na ano siya nung serum, that's it. He took it kasi, I don't know, maybe money,
No,
nakalimutan
so
ko.
there's like an alter ego of it that erases people.
Yes.
So what's the other ego?
Yung ano, yung superhero nga.
Ano yung superhero?
Yung slow.
Hindi, ano nga powers niya? What are his powers, man?
His powers. Yung ano, hindi alter
Oh.
ego. Yung
Oh.
powers niya is like he's basically God mode. He can fly. He has fucking laser
He's
eyes.
Superman.
Literally Superman. Ng
He's
Marvel.
Superman, bro.
Legit.
He's Homelander. Okay. And then, ang his next alter ego is
Yan, yung lumabas na yung alter ego, yun. Parang may power siya ng dimension or some shit.
the
Like,
Void.
Yeah, the Void. He makes the Void.
So-
and then everyone
so-
that gets in the Void gets to live the worst fucking fear or memory nila over and over. And it's a
Holy
physical
shit.
and it's a physical dimension na parang pwede kang mag-break from one person's memory to another.
And how do you get out of the Void?
You find the door.
That's it?
That's
so
it.
you have to go through your
Yeah.
nightmare and then you have to find acceptance by yourself para
Yes.
mahanap yun.
Kaya nga ang,
Ganun ba yun?
parang ang
Some
weird ka na,
persona shit?
ang weird ka ng movie, like, parang it tackles
It's a therapy session.
Exactly, bro. Diba, so fuck.
Holy shit,
Kaya-
maybe
kaya
I should watch it.
Kaya nga
Okay,
Thunderbolts
okay.
kasi ano, 'di ba? Like they're all fucked. Para siyang anti-hero. They're passer fucks. They're ano ba tawag sila?
How is it? Yeah, but
Ano sila, mga
they're all
assassin sila,
problem
like,
children.
yeah. May problematic sila lahat, and then they had to like face the things that made them problematic to begin with. Alam mo?
Damn, it's a persona movie. Holy
It is.
shit.
You should watch it. Or legit.
May shadow version now.
It's so nice, right? It's so fucking
Stupid.
nice. So yun kasi ito, pag-usapan naman natin kasi naging tangent na rin ng Marvel. Alright, sa dulo kasi ng Captain America, sinabi ni the Tinker guy, the fucking nakalimutan ko boys. Kaya na magsabi sa comment section, okay? The guy with the massive brain na may gamma ray whatever. Nagsabi niya na akala niyo
Brainiac.
nanalo na kayo. Hindi niyo alam na maraming
Simula
universe.
pa lang.
Parang ganun. Nagsisimula pa lang tayo. Out of all the calculations I have done, it will,
Nag-ano siya,
alam mo yun?
nag-ala Doctor
Oo.
Strange siya.
Oo, parang sa post-credit
Ay, pinanood mo rin yun, Neil?
Yeah.
Parang ganun.
Holy, why are you not talking about it, Neil? What the fuck,
Nasa
bro?
part na ba tayo?
We're in Thunderbolts.
Yeah,
now.
The new-
Thunderbolts,
sinasabi ko
Thunderbolts.
The new American.
Hindi,
Captain
sinasabi ko
America?
lang sa kanya yung post-credit kasi I think I
Ah.
was trying to build up something para dun sa parating na Fantastic Four kasi ito yung showing susunod, di ba? Sa dulo ng Thunderbolts, nakita mo yung ano, di ba yun yung pinaka-longest
Fantastic
na
Four,
na
The
post-credit.
longest post-credit scene. Wait, what did
Like,
we
it was
talk
a
about
fucking
Thunderbolts again?
Wala na,
Wait, what
sinexplain
did
ko
I
na sa
miss?
kanila. Inexplain ko na sa kanila yung
He's just
Thunderbolts.
TLDRing me, and then he told me basically what I came up with as someone who
Never watched.
haven't watched
I haven't watched.
Thunderbolts. So it's basically Persona.
What's Persona? I have never seen
Exactly,
Persona.
bro. may shadow version, and then you have to accept yourself in order
Yeah.
to
No, that's
escape your
the void.
Yeah, that's a void. That's the
Ano
dark
OP
side.
naman yan, putang ina niya. So he's like a fucking
Legit.
he's Superman, and he has the power of the void.
It's more of
Tangina,
like,
I could,
it's more of
I
like a
could conquer
mentally,
the whole world with that.
it's more of like a mentally ill Superman.
Oo nga.
His homeland.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah, but he has the power of the void. How did he paano siya natalo? Like ang OP, I can imagine it's an OP fucking power. You can literally
Basically,
just
ano,
void
How
everyone.
do people
No.
beat depression? Basically the same shit.
Yeah. Basically, the
Oh
void is just
shit!
ano,
Ain't no way. In
Yeah.
order to beat him, they gave him alcohol.
Ang ina mo.
Blah, 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 blah. Well, no. Let's go back to the topic. I think I could pick up here. What you call this? Yung parang yung the void is like whenever the void gets you to his like dark thing, he sends you to your most depressive moments in your entire life.
And it plays over and over
It
again.
plays
sabi ni
and
John.
yeah, plays
Wait,
and
he
over
has full control of this, by the way. Ganun ba? Like he can control his alter ego. Like parang
No.
Is a completely
malulungkot na
different
ako! And then
No,
you know,
it's
mag-void
more
na
of
siya.
like
I'm
ano,
voiding out. Ganun.
It's
Hindi.
more of like parang he wrestles with the void like within him, kumbaga.
Okay.
Yeah. And
OP naman niya, putang ina. And who beat him? A bunch of fucking ex-assassins? That's it? With guns?
not really. No.
What?
Basically, di ba nasa parang void world sila, and Bob, who is a separate, like, parang separate ego, yung alter ego niya, kumbaga. Yung the original one is in the void, trying to hide whenever void is under control. It's like Moon Knight, kumbaga.
Ano yun, Neil? He's racing.
Hindi ko kasi magets. Pwede ba timpla mo ng kape habang tangent nyo yun?
Just go. Just
Kasi wala
excuse
ko
yourself,
ano.
bro.
Thank you.
Just excuse
Okay,
yourself.
matutulog
bro.
ako.
Puta na to!
Bakit? Tangina na ito mga to.
Matutulog!
naging viewer na. Okay, anyways, go. Okay, continue, Chris.
Nasaan na nga ba? Parang nga ganun. Ano lang siya, parang is trying to like hide in those things. Kasi whenever the void is in control, parang nagtatago lang siya sa safe place niya, kumbaga. Like, near safe place. Dun sa mga memories niya, kumbaga. And the main point of the story was it's about the whole movie is about it's about depression. It's like the whole movie has a deep analogy towards people with depression, anxiety, or self-hatred. Anyone who's having a terrible time in their lives will go through an internal struggle with themselves to the point na they feel like the only logical thing to do is lash out at the first thing they see, which in this case, in Bob's case, himself, sadly.
So wait, yung superpowers niya, so I saw the trailer, he's voiding people out. So may parang prerequisites ba in order to get voided? Or is it more of like, let's say for example, if he found like a person na wala talagang issue, hindi siya mabavoid, may ganun ba nangyari sa movie? Or
No.
does everyone
So
have like a fucking deep
impossible.
dark?
Everyone has a
Oh,
dark
it's so
side,
so anime man, tangina. We found this the one person who can fucking ano yan? No, who can beat the void. This guy, tangina.
And then he's a vegetable
Okay.
state. Can't even process anything in his brain.
Exactly. So wala siyang dark. Tangina. Okay. Don't tell me. They'll tell me they resolved his issues by tinokdo jutsu rin siya.
Not really. It's more of like a group hug.
Yeah.
Oh my fucking god,
Yeah.
it's even worse.
It's his group hug.
It's kasi like, we accept
Kasi,
you.
we accept you. Kasi,
Persona.
In all of his life, he's like parang outcast siya, kumbaga. Like he's a meth addict. His parents are abusive, and all of a sudden he has parang meron na siyang split
Nagkaroon siya ng
personality just because of that. Kaya nga kaya when I watch Thunderbolts, feeling ko magugustuhan to ni Vanilla because this is gonna hit home. Kumbaga.
Damn!
Did it
What the
hit
fuck?
hong, John?
It did,
Did
bro.
it hit home?
That was the first time I
Damn,
almost cried in a
bro.
Marvel movie, bro.
Kasi
Holy
nga, as I've mentioned, this movie is a deep analogy towards people with depression, anxiety, and self-hatred.
Damn! Do I have depression?
Of course you do!
I live in a constant state of fear.
It was nice
Ganun
though.
yung
It was
ano.
so nice.
It was nice. Damn.
Ang masaya doon
I
is
should watch
yung sa dulo, the post-credit scene. Gusto ko yung yung kasi 14 months later, di ba? Tama, di ba? Was it 14 months?
Yeah, I
It
think
was like
16
a
months.
year.
It was
16 months.
years, bro.
It was a year. So it was a year.
So sila na yung naging new Avenger. They have like they had the all the school texts and all that shit. Tapos
So the Avengers are now a ragtag Suicide Squad team.
yes.
No. Natawa nga ako, nandun yung Revolution skin yan ni Bucky.
What the fuck?
yung Red Star dito sa
Nandun
kanan
sa
part.
nila? Sa
Yung
office
sa
nila?
post-credit scene, yung
Tunay.
Revolution skin niya,
Bakit siya nakaganon?
I don't know, his new costume.
Yeah, I should just watch it, bro. Kung bakit
Just
naging
watch
Just
it.
watch it.
Anyway,
I just watched
the
it.
moral of the story of this thing. Perhaps some of you have those moments, and honestly, I hope you never do. I hope you never do, because it's a living nightmare. And in fact, it's a lot worse when you are forced to be an island and go through it all by yourself, like depression and all that kind of shit. Everyone sooner or later is a Bob in a shipway of form, and please take care of yourself and always check up on your closest friends and family.
Damn,
Because you never know. They're in that verge. I know someone who.
Baka maging void sila.
Do you need a group hug, Chris?
No, I don't need a group hug.
Does the void have a name? There's Bob, and then there's this
then
guy.
there's Bob.
What's his name?
There's Sentry
Void
and
lang?
there's Void. Yeah,
Sentry and Void. Oh my god.
Sentry is the light.
Well,
Bob is the human side of the
Okay.
Bob. Sentry is
I
the
guess
good
we're
one.
getting a new Marvel Rivals fucking hero soon. Let's go! Marvel and Sentry and Bob. I mean Sentry and...
Angangason, no? Pag naging ganun.
Oh, gago. I can already see his move kit, yung skill kits.
Damn, now we move sa ano? Sa post-credits
Now we
scene ba?
move to...
No,
the
post-credits scene pa tayo. Okay, Chris, ano na
post-credits
nakita mo?
scene.
Ano masabi mo sa post-credits scene, no?
What
Post-credit
was that?
scene, it hypes up the Fantastic
Fantastic
Four.
Four.
Not gonna lie, I am excited to watch the next Fantastic Four movies because the previous Fantastic Four is a bit mid. Like yung original Fantastic Four yung during the 1980s is pretty bad.
Kay Dr. Doom.
It's pretty bad, not gonna lie. But yung sumunod pa nun, medyo campy. The recent one, well, the last one was very shit. But here,
The Dr. Doom one.
no, not Dr. Doom one. Yung si the bad
Di ba si
CGI,
Dr. Doom
the
yung
Fox version. But now,
Okay.
yung Fantastic Four ngayon, I'm kinda excited since hindi siya yung parang katulad ng, they're gonna, what you call this? Parang, yung origin story nila, hindi na nila ibabalik ng parang rectagad na parang may pamilya na sila. Parang konti lang yung ilalagay nilang history dun sa sa Fantastic Four. But
Damn, so you're saying yung yung...
But this Fantastic Four, however, is already an established Fantastic
Yun nga.
Four,
Ang
but
weird.
in a different universe.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
hindi to
That
yung
makes sense.
Okay.
People are having a speculation, which if this Fantastic Four escape their universe to warn this Earth 626 na na version ng Earth to like be aware of this guy called Galactus who eats universes on his own whim.
Oh wait, that's the thing they're hyping up dun sa post-credit, si Galactus?
No,
No.
The Fantastic Four kasi parang siya, parang nanggaling sa outer space nung nakita sa satellite
Which
footage.
is fucking weird. Di ba?
Okay.
So, yun, if yung sinabi mo na galing siya sa ibang universe, okay, that makes sense now. Kung
Yeah,
galing
that
siya sa
would
outer
make-
space, like, what the fuck, di ba? Saan sila nag-fit dun sa original timeline, di ba?
It's kasi yung Fantastic Four na yun, retro around
Yun nga yung weird
1960s, 1970s. It
I'm
explains
back.
it.
What the fuck?
Alay.
Bale, I think they're just gonna warn people about Galactus or whoever. But the thing, it's gonna tie in dun sa
Hindi pa rin kayo
Doomsday.
tapos dyan.
Yeah, we're still taking.
Yeah, we're
Sorry,
still
sorry
learning.
guys, dumating na si Galactus eh.
Yeah.
Gago.
There go.
Sa halip na he's gonna eat your food instead of the universe. Anyway,
Hey!
yeah,
I'ma
that's it.
eat you.
That's it. That's one of the reasons why I'm excited for the Fantastic Four, and hopefully it delivers.
It's the thing, man. The
What the
thing.
hell was that sound effect?
The thing. Scrap.
Okay, that's it. I guess that's Chris and John's and
Ah,
a bit
sama
of
na
mind
kami.
thoughts,
Oh my
and
God.
then-
We're
oh
back
my
in.
God, yeah.
We're back.
We're back.
Mga to, parang,
wala ba
parang
kayong,
hindi,
ano,
ano, parang hindi.
wala ba kayong interest sa Marvel, Ken, and no?
Ako meron.
Wala napanood. Meron naman.
Nanood ako ng The New American Hero eh.
Ba't hindi kayo
The
mag-input?
New Captain America.
Tama.
Eh kasi ano na agad kayo eh. Nilagpasan nyo na yun eh.
Sa lahat ng sinabi niya, isa lang napanood ko eh.
Ano?
Yung Deadpool lang. Yung Deadpool tsaka yung Wolverine.
Wolverine. Yeah. But yeah, at least yan, like at least now the people who were requesting the MCU fucking topic can finally shut up, okay?
Yeah.
Wala kami inputs dito, okay? Again,
Ano yung bagong acronym na ano mo? Gloko?
Ano acronym?
Na natutunan mo?
Sibaw?
Sibaw eh.
Sibaw.
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 Okay, sibaw.
Ano yun?
Yo, bitches! Hindi naman. Okay, okay lang yan. Kasi I acknowledge that a lot of people are interested in our takes on different topics. So, might as well cover it. Kasi yun nga, nag-ask kami ng topic of recommendations and we wanna deliver it. So, yun. Actually, nakalista pa nga dito. Ito dapat ipag-usapan namin supposedly for this podcast. Eh, napunta sa usapang chicken.
Oh
We're supposed to talk about
usapang
the newly, not really new, but the re-implemented NCAP na nangyayari dito sa Metro Manila. Also, there's a topic about the 100 men versus one gorilla. Which
Diyan, marami kaming input dyan.
Oo, we'll touch upon this next time. Isasabay na rin namin. How about 100 Chris versus 1 Trinil? Who would win? You know, and then you know, next podcast we'll talk about survival. Okay, like who survives the zombie apocalypse?
Oh, shit, bro. That's nice.
Who among us will survive the zombie apocalypse?
Basta sasama kay Chris.
Tinan mo. Tapos Tapos, like, and it turns out, like, yung podcast na i-record natin next time, we'll talk about anything other than this.
The topic, yeah.
Okay?
Bro,
Like, hindi
wag
natin
naman kasi ganon.
Makakalimutan natin lahat ng to na sinabi natin and we're gonna talk about something else. We're gonna talk about ice cream next time.
Get to the program, okay?
I still don't get that.
Get to the program.
Magkasatigan
Ready na ako mag-explain ng NCAP and 100
next
crisp
week.
versus 1 trinil tapos chicken.
Next week. Kasi,
Next week.
napasarap yung usapan sa manok eh. Okay. So,
Ready
yun
na ako
eh.
sa mga 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 na plate
Basta
number.
At meron tayong sarili, may tangent topic tayo, tapos may main topic na galing, hindi main topic, may parang fan topic tayo na inanong.
Okay, yeah, that's nice.
Yun. Next week. Bigyan natin si 100 Chris versus 120. I know. But anyways.
Na tayo dyan sa 100 man versus
Yeah,
gorilla.
it is. It actually is. But it's still fun to talk about it, you know? But yeah, I guess that is packing it for this freaking episode of our weekly podcast. I forgot to say that. I forgot to absolutely say that. Tangina, ain't no way I forgot my intro. Guys, again, welcome sa weekly Pinoy's podcast episode. I have no idea. Thank you so much for all the support. Napakasarap ng usapan namin about chicken. Pero alam niyo kung sino mas masarap? Sino? Yung Patreons natin!
Ako.
Ay,
Akala ko ako.
Yeah.
Yung
This Patreon right
Patreons.
here. This Patreon right here. He is Juicylicious. Tapos itong Patreon na ito is Crispylicious. They hate McDo chicken. Absolutely. 100%. They hate
What's
McDo
wrong
chicken.
with you?
For sure. There goes our McDo sponsorship in the future.
Sponsorship.
Big gago.
Thank you again to our to our sponsors, to our Patreons. You are our sponsors, by the way.
And to our
for,
sponsor
supporting. And to our sponsor. Pakita mo, Neil. Pakita natin.
Oh.
Thank you for the pizza. Thank you for the Lander pizza that
Balik po yung kinain niyo sa akin.
that fucked me up. Ayan. So, abangan nyo ulit ang next Pinoy's podcast. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. If you guys have any topics that you guys want us to
Nag-enjoy kami.
talk about, let us know in the comment section or abangan nyo yung Facebook post namin, okay? We like getting topics from there because we absolutely don't know what to talk about. Nice. Amazing. See you next time. Bye. Ay, also, parang
Bye-bye.
wait
Thank
lang.
you.
John,
Ano ba?
say it. Announce it, John. Announce it.
Para nabigla si Idol.
John, announce it, John. Ain't no way. Do it. Oh, he's cooking, bro. He about to do
he's
it.
cooking.
He about to do it.
This coming December 25, magkakaroon na ng Pasko this year.
Yes!
Yeah!
Oh my gosh!
I did not
You
know that
absolutely cook, bro.
Ain't no fucking way.
Sabi ko na ka ba, nabigla ko eh.
Guys! Pinoy's podcast is now back and updated in Spotify! You can finally listen to us in Spotify!
Walang yan.
Lahat ng iisipin mo, yun yung hindi mo naisip.
Kaya mo, John.
Napindot
Hayop
ako
ka.
ng
Ikaw
stop recording.
Ikaw nag-ayos nun. Ikaw nag-ayos dyan. Tangina mo. What the fuck? Yeah, our podcast, Pinoy's podcast, is now available on Spotify. You can listen to us now while you're driving, doing your homework, or when you're clapping the cheeks of your significant other. So there you go. Pinoy's podcast, anytime, anywhere with Spotify. Let's go!
You know what? I'm a choy na.
Pero may delay nga lang ng 1 week. Okay, so episodes will always come out first here in YouTube and then a week after pa ma-upload sa Spotify. So, ayun. Okay na Spotify peeps. Ayun. So, thank you guys so much. Ito na talaga. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na talaga. See you sa December 25.